Yes, the bear poops in the backyard. I understand.
Yes, drink a bear poops in the backyard. I asked if a bear poops in the woods.
Oh, in the woods.
I didn't say does a bear poop in the backyard.
Oh, they poop in the backyard.
That's funny. How many bears have pooped? No.
That's
no,
what you get
my green
for yelling at me. You done it now.
Alright, I'm not going to show you how to bleach your hair. I got a retainer and brown hair.
Alright, we need half.
No, just pour it all in.
No, this is not the one for all in, baby.
You have sender. Am I ready or are you ready?
I'm ready, babe. And
alright.
Let's go.
Alright, we don't need this.
You need a shirt, babe.
Do I need a shirt?
Yep.
Why?
You can't film like that on camera.
Can I not?
You can do whatever you want. 50 minutes. It's happening.
Yet again, I will become Super Saiyan. Oh wow. I look like a mad scientist.
We gotta leave it on for 50 minutes.
Leave it on?
Leave it on.
Leave it on?
Oh.
I'm making fun of your accent.
Oh, it's alright. Can you hold the bowl, baby?
I can hold the bowl, baby. You're so pretty and you're not even in camera. Whose fault is that?
Kinda yours.
Word, I'll take that.
Let's see who fixed the camera. It's okay, baby.
Oh, so you just shot me with a freeze ray.
Alrighty. How did I do, babe?
Looks pretty good. Let's say you did it. Word, now my scalp's on fire and my teeth hurt. It's awesome. Wow, you're really digging it into my scalp. That really hurts, man.
I'm sorry.
Because you're using a toothbrush and you're getting right on my scalp. Can you honestly just use your hands and not the toothbrush? Yep. There she goes. Oh, you're pulling my hair a bit. Oh, jeez. No, more of that. I'm going to just close my eyes this time.
Yep.
It burns right there. Yeah, it does. It ain't that bad. See, you grab a lot of it. That's why it probably drips.
No, because I take a little bit at a time from here, babe.
4 handfuls and we're done with the bowl. 3 minutes later and my head is covered. What is that? Look at that! Yo! Take your time, champ. I just bit my sore tooth. I'm just being an idiot now.
But look at all this jelly.
That's just because there's a lot of it. You don't gotta use it all.
Okay, well, can I put some more on the front? Look, the front needs a little bit.
Alright, yes, the front needs some. It just drip it on my arm more. Hey!
Come on, babe. That? Can you relax for a second?
I hope you can see that. Whoa, that burns in the front. Oh, dude. Oh, man. Oh, this napkin's gotta save my life right now.
And that's it, boys. That's all we got.
Jeez, dude. Got on the scan, man. Oh, it's burning my arm now.
How does it burn?
How does it burn? It's bleach, Chief. What do you think?
My arm doesn't burn.
Well, do you have it in a large quantity on your arm? For a long period of time? I just had bleach in my hair for an hour and 40 minutes. We did an hour longer than it said. It's almost blonde.
Yes, it is, babe.
How long do we do this one for?
I don't know. 30 minutes. Up to 30 minutes.
So in 3 hours.
What?
Okay, 2.
No, baby.
An hour.
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Hungry.
Okay. Me too. You haven't been in camera this whole video. Right now, that's all I want because my teeth hurt.
Well, then
my head's on fire. I got a shower. I'd like a snack though. I like snacks.
I'll have some cornbread as a snack.
Hey, I'll have some cornbread too. I like cornbread. We can do that.
We can do that. like, okay.
There's bear poop in the woods.
What?
What do you mean, what? Come on. Don't tell me you haven't heard that either. Can you get in camera?
There's bear poop in
There's a bear poop in the woods, Betty.
Really?
No, I'm asking you a question. Really? Does a bear poop in the woods?
I thought you said there's a bear poop in the woods. Does a bear poop in the woods? Yeah, a bear poops in the woods.
Okay, so that answers your question.
What question?
What do you mean, what question?
You asked me the question.
You said, do you want me to go get the food?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so just bear poop in the woods?
Oh, yeah. No. A bear doesn't poop in the woods.
Oh, so you're not gonna go get the food. Alright, so where's bear poop?
In his cave. In his house.
You poop in your house?
Yeah, I poop in my house.
Because you have plumbing. Does the bear have plumbing?
The bear doesn't know what plumbing is, and he doesn't
So would
have
you poop
plumbing
in your
outside.
house if you didn't have plumbing? I don't think you know what you're talking about.
Baby, I was just BSing, babe. Yes, the bear poops in the backyard. I understand.
I said, yes, Jake, a bear poops in the backyard. I asked if a bear poops in the woods.
Oh, in the woods.
I didn't say, does a bear poop in the backyard?
Oh, they poop in the backyard.
That's funny. How many bears have pooped? No.
That's
no,
what you get
my green
for yelling at me. You don't know.
I didn't know.
Oh no, that's not gonna go away, babe.
That's not coming
That's not coming off.
Oh yeah, apply pressure. Apply pressure.
Let me absorb it all.
Alright, no, I think it'll dry and it'll be okay. For now, my head will cover it. Don't smell it, what are you stupid? Why does everyone always do that? I love how everyone's like, oh, this sock smells real bad, man. Smell it. Like, oh, you do that. Yeah. Hey. I might have to re-dye it or re-bleach it tomorrow. I really want to get it white. Gingerbread man, more like cornbread man.
Cornbread man.
Yeah, gingerbread man, overrated, alright?
Cornbread.
Cornbread
Ow,
man.
my leg fell. Cornbread man.
Cornbread man. You don't go with the way.
You know what I want? I want strawberry jam. With jelly. What did I say? Did I look like Quasimodo or did you look like Quasimodo?
Ooh, who here looks more like Quasimodo? Is that is the real one? You. Alright, me. I'm sorry.
Neither of us looks like Quasimodo. He's ugly.
Hey!
But he's got the good heart.
He's got a good heart.
Of course. How do you know? I thought you didn't even know who he was.
I don't really know who he was. I don't really know why the video cut out there, but we got my hair pretty white. So just remember, if you want to dye your hair, there's a certain way you want to look, you should do it despite what anybody thinks. I've been dyeing my hair a lot over my life. I'm always searching for another version of myself. If you like this video and you want to help support the channel, you could head over to ditchtheflock.com, cop some eco-friendly merch, check out some of our other videos, leave a like. If not, thanks for watching. That's an X-ray in my head. It's a big head.